This is Urban Diets and Health, where we prioritize the health of your diet. Let me show you how to prepare a special potato and egg recipe in a simple and healthy way. Please watch to the end to see the special method I used in achieving this wonderful potato recipe. I would like you to try this and let me know in the comments section if you got exactly the same result as mine and how wonderful yours taste. Enjoy and see you again in our next healthy recipe.